Okay, good evening everybody. Thank you for tuning into a special edition to Weather Underground. It's Tornado Week, and we're showing you these tornadoes. Okay, we'll be on right after this.
Tornado Week. Look at the spiral, man! The front seat view for Tornado Hub 13. Tornado Week. All this week.
Hey, check out this tornado right here. I could put on low speeds right here. I could turn the speed up, and look at that. Look at the tornado spin right there. Right here we got a sand tornado. We got sand in the bottom. You swirl it up like that. And look at that tornado right there. It's best in a liter bottle. We have some debris in here from like maybe a cow or something like a furniture getting tossed up in the tornado. You can see right there's the debris. You swirl it around. And check that out. You can see the debris flying around in the tornado. Isn't that pretty cool right there? And if you thought that was cool, stay tuned and see what we have coming up right after here. We have experiments outside. Okay, right here we're gonna show you some safety tips, what to do during a tornado. Usually New Jersey doesn't usually get a tornado, but if you move to like Texas or Oklahoma where they get like tornadoes every week in the April, this is the busiest season, you want to put your helmet on just in case there's like some hail falling on your head. You want to protect your head, maybe some hail. You want to get down in the lowest level of your house, and preferably in the basement from like where the roofs could collapse on your head. You want to get down. Also, you're going to want some shoes just in case there's some glass or debris. You don't want to hurt your foot or something. Also, you want to stay away from windows because the glass could fall right onto you. You don't want to be trying to spot the tornado. You want to be ducking down as low as you can. Okay, we got some dry ice here and we're going to be making the tornado. You can see this with dry ice, it's like a negative 110 degrees. Very dangerous to touch, so you don't want to. It's carbon dioxide. It goes from sublimation. It goes from a solid to a gas. It doesn't turn to a liquid. That should be good enough. And now we got the boiling water. We have the fan. Is it making a tornado? Look at that, it's making it a tornado. It's not that great of a tornado. Oh, let me turn the speed down. Hold on. We have a wedge tornado going on in there. Now it's a rope tornado, a small one. Okay, now we're gonna make a fire tornado. Stay tuned. Okay, you can see some of the water's boiling up still, and the ice turned into like a cloud or something, and now I put some food coloring. Check that out. Okay, we were getting ready for this fire tornado. We definitely need science glasses, and do not try this at home. That's why we got a fire extinguisher. We're away from any trees, so there's no fire right here. Isopropyl alcohol, it's 91% proof. Fireproof, so that means it could catch fire. Right here we got the cotton balls and a creme brulee ramekin, and we got a Lazy Susan from the microwave, a spin table. We're gonna pour a little bit of this in here. It's soaked now for about a few minutes. Right here, this is gonna make a wind block, so it's not gonna be so much wind. Okay, here's the dangerous part. I'm kind of nervous right here. Oh, that's cool. Check this out. It's like a fire pit. It's not a good turntable. You can see the swirling right there, the fire tornado. Tornado Week 2016, we're going to show you some types of tornadoes. You can see right here is a rope tornado. They rope out and usually don't produce major destruction due to narrow funnel. Right here we have a cone tornado. They're wide on top and narrow on the bottom. That's like a basic tornado. Right here is a wedge massive tornado. very massive. The width is as tall as the length, and multiple vortex. That's the most scary, and they're rare, and they cause major destruction. You can see how they rate the tornadoes. By, probably heard of EF2 tornado or something. It was named by Ted Fujita. EF0 means 45 to 78 miles per hour, little damage. EF1 is 79 to 117 miles per hour, minor damage. EF2 to 118 to 161 miles per hour, your roof is gone. An EF3 tornado is 162 to 209 miles per hour and the wall is collapsed. EF4 tornado is 210 to 261 miles per hour. Your house is blown down. And EF5 is the worst. That's like in Moore, Oklahoma, or Joplin, Missouri. That's 262 miles per hour. It could go up to 317 miles per hour and your house is blown away. There's nothing left. It's demolished. Time now to sound off to your questions. We have time for 2 quick questions right now. The first question is, where do tornadoes form? Right here, I'll show you right here in Nebraska, they usually get 58 tornadoes a year. 51. Kansas City gets 78. Oklahoma gets 57. Louisiana gets 37. And Texas, 150 tornadoes. That's the area right there in the Midwest. And also New Jersey, they only get 3 tornadoes. Okay, next question. How do tornadoes form? That's a good question. Right here, you can see you need a warm and cool air aloft. And then you need some wind shear to stir it up, and then you need instability, which is warm and moist air, and also you need strong storms to updraft. And that's your questions for tonight. Thank you for joining me tonight on Tornado Week. Have a good night.